Hey, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. That's what we do. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. I want to do a quick update on the giveaway. I've got 2 or 3 more names I gotta send out, and I wanted to mention the next giveaway is going to be coming from Park and Revenge 139. Like I said, I'm doing 10 names. I'm going to pull those names this weekend. I'm real busy. I didn't have time to do it today, and I want to go ahead and drop a video. So we're going to pull those names, and I'm going to drop that video this weekend. Anyway, let's get into some content, man. Hey, we're on pulling another one here. We got a vehicle abandoned at a gas station. I don't know if it's at the pumps. I don't know if anybody's over here. I don't know the first clue. But we're fixing to roll in here and find out what's going on. I have had confrontations at gas stations on numerous occasions before. Anyway, we figured it out. I actually pulled up right beside the car that they want towed. People have been maliciously parking on his property, leaving their cars like this one here. And he's not having it, man. You can't just park on somebody's property and leave your car wherever you want to. Parking in stripe zone, loading zone, blocking the pumps, stuff like that, you will get towed. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out and get out of here. Welcome back, welcome back. We're rolling in over here in Decatur, man. This is that big building over here in front of me. That's DeKalb County Jail. Definitely been a lot of shootings in DeKalb County and all of Atlanta, man. The shootings have had a big uptick. It's just gotten pretty wild out here. It's like the Wild West. Anyway, we're gonna somebody called in an impound not far from here, so I'm gonna pull in just a minute. I don't know what kind of crap we're gonna run into over here. Anyway, I just talked to the office over here. He's got something over here that's been stickered. It's been stickered for quite a few. I believe it's been stickered a couple times. He said it's got some kind of red tags or something on it. I don't know what the story on this thing is. I know this neighborhood's not the nicest neighborhood, I can tell you that. Let the rain go, sit in the corner. We have been getting some calls to some rougher areas, and this is one of those areas right here. Anyway, we're gonna sign it out and get out of here. Anyway, we got those to the yard. I just dropped one, the truck I got from the shop. And I got a, this is an all-wheel drive here. We got a what we got to do. Ruby's gonna make me a spot. She's gonna make me a spot to put this all-wheel drive. Makes it real difficult with all-wheel drive vehicles. We got an impound. It looks like an impound we got in just recent. Looks like a brand new. Well, let me let you check it out, man. I don't know who towed this in. I got to get the story on it, but I'm gonna show it to you. Looks like it's got a flat in the rear. Looks like it was brand new. Can-Am. Wow. Anyway, looks like somebody wrecked this Can-Am, man. This thing's brand spanking new. Man. Oh, somebody just bought this thing, man. Enough talking, man. We're gonna get on some more towing. Anyway, stay tuned. Uh-oh. Look like we got some parking problems going on this property here. And somebody's called us to yank some cars. Let's see which ones they are. Check my list to see. I've got 4 impounds by the pool. Over flat tire. There's the Sonata. That one's got, oh, here's the other one. Here's a couple. 1, 2, 3. Looks like somebody moved out the other one that was there. There's no tag on the Rover. September 20 on that one. No tag on the Hyundai. It's got a December 20 on it. Anyway, let's get to it. We're gonna see if we can make any noise over here. Get some people mad. Got these 2 loaded right here, man. Not very easily though. We call the person responsible for signing these cars out and get them up here to sign out, then I'll strap down and getting ready to roll to the yard. What's going on, man? Say what? Yeah. What happened? It ain't got no tag. That's the visitor parking over there. The maintenance the people that work here, they call these cars in to tow. They stickered them.
Oh, I'm working on the license plate and everything.
Does it run?
Yes, sir. I was about to take the tire off.
Oh, well, it's got a flat on it. No.
I gotta change it tomorrow.
I'm gonna have to tow it, but hey, if it didn't have a flat tire, you could pay the drop fee. But since it's got a flat and it's not operable, I have to tow it. I said I can't drop it and leave it here with a flat tire because they told us to come get them. The other 2 were going also. There's other 2 with the no.
How much is the fee?
The property is $175.
So how will I?
Just call them and you come get it. Yeah. Come get it from us. Yeah.
Well, I was trying to change the tire right now so I can take it tomorrow.
Oh, you have to come get it from our yard. You have to come get it from the lot. Like I said, if yeah, you have to come get it down there. Yeah. And that, unfortunately, that's the way it is. Like I said, but by law, if the tires were pumped up and you could drive it off the property, I'd be obligated to give you the $100 release fee. But it's not operable. There's no way they'll allow me to drop it with the tire down. Anyway, I appreciate you staying calm, though, man. I appreciate you staying calm, dude. It's what it is. We got signed out with those 2. And we got Mr. Jeremy. He's over here grabbing this other. I'll make sure he gets loaded and I'll roll out. But we're not going to be able to get the other on with the wheel off. It'll have to be first thing in the morning. Y'all know who Jeremy is. He don't play around. Man, I took the wrong camera over there, man. I just went over there videoing my boy Jeremy. I didn't even have the camera on, man. The camera that was running was right here in the truck. Wow.